Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add photos to Frameo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Adding photos to Frameo digital photo frame is simple and typically involves using the Frameo mobile app. So what you need to do is install the app by simply heading over to the App Store and then tapping on the search icon and then tap on the search bar and enter Frameo. And once you have searched it, tap on the app and simply tap on the get button or install according to your device. Now once you have downloaded it, what you need to do is set up your Frameo frame. Connect to the Wi-Fi, power on the Frameo digital frame, follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to the Wi-Fi, generate a friend code on the Frameo frame, go to settings, my friends, and then add friend. A unique code will appear, write it down or keep the frame accessible. Now once done, open up, and here all you gotta do is pair your phone with the frame, open the Frameo app, and then what you need to do is enter the friend code, tap add frame and input the code as shown on the digital frame. So what you need to do is tap on this icon, and here what you need to do is add in the friend code. Now once you are done with that, you will be successfully connected to the Frameo. Now in order to add photos, all you gotta do is simply select the photo that you want, and you can also select this button right here to select the multiple photos that you would like to be displayed. And now all you gotta do is simply tap on this red button right here, and once you do that, if you have connected your Frameo, your photo will be displayed right there. So that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.